When I was younger, I went camping and I saw the night sky without any light pollution, and I've been obsessed with it ever since. For a big part of my life, I didn't think I could do physics, but coming to UEA, I could do physics. I think it's quite important to include different voices in physics as well.
I'm studying maths at UEA and I'm tailoring it towards applied maths modules, in particular theoretical physics. I had a very inspirational teacher called Mr. Wheeler. He was always very naturally curious, and I feel like it instilled that curiosity into me, and that's probably where I get the inspiration from.
I didn't want to do the original course that I applied for. I went through clearing. I chose Actuarial Science because I liked how it was a blend of all of my A-levels. I did maths, economics and computer science.
I approach maths as a sort of art form or way of being creative, so I'm particularly interested in doing maths just for the sheer enjoyment of learning things.
One thing that makes me proud to be a part of the School of Engineering, Maths and Physics is that we've really worked hard to make it inclusive. If you want to study one of our subjects for a degree, we believe you should be able to. That's why we offer a foundation year, which is a kind of transitional year between school and university, where we help you to catch up on any content you've missed, which you'll need to start in year 1 of your degree.
From GCSEs, I didn't know what I wanted to do, so I just picked the subjects I got the highest in. I didn't study maths or physics, and then I stumbled across the foundation year because before I thought, oh, there's no way I could do engineering because I don't have the subjects. Doing the foundation year and then also doing a master's, so making a 3-year course, a 5-year course, I really enjoyed just learning about so much.
In my experience, the amount of overlap between subjects in our school is unique.
You're able to select modules that reflect your interest area. So for me, I was able to complement the physics I was doing with computer science material.
Once I got my acceptances, I decided to go with UEA because they did put in that extra effort. They were all very helpful. I had a call with Sam while I was in Canada. Any questions I had, they just instantly answered them.
It's probably a cliche, but students are very much names and not numbers at UEA.
So in the university I was at previously, the lecturers didn't know who I was, they didn't know my name, but here they're invested in getting me in to do internships, getting me into PhD positions.
I remember one maths lecturer who was lovely and helped me really enjoy maths again. Actually enjoying it and understanding it was really great.
It's a fairly small cohort, but that means that you have more one-on-one time with lecturers that you might find are kind of more aligned with your research interests. I wasn't really sure what my sort of academic future would be. And then I realised I wanted to do the year in industry. And then after I did the year in industry, I quickly realised I wanted to do a master's.
So a year in industry is a year out, usually after your second year, to go into the workplace. And it just gives you a head start.
I did a month-long internship in Chile. It was the lecturers at UEA that helped me really solidify my skills and also bring up my confidence to be able to do this.
We have embedded employability content within our modules. Students get an idea of what that theoretical subject they're doing looks like in the real world, and that's really across all of our degrees. We have a really good careers service. I mean, all students I've spoken to say that our Careers Central has been really helpful to them.
So UEA has offered quite a few Career Central meetings, so often we'll have regular meetings that discuss building a good CV and building work relationships.
Actuarial Science at UEA is not only about the maths and statistics that we learn, it's also the skills that will grow our career. I couldn't see myself at any other uni.
I would say to myself 4 years ago, absolutely go for it. It's been a phenomenal experience.
I found what I love at UEA and built my confidence. So yeah, I'm ready for whatever comes next.